Okay, so let me just show you one more, and I want to ask you a question, and I want you how to to just train you into even largest knowledge, how to use it to actually solve another problem. Okay, so basically, I believe through all this demonstration, you already understand that basically type alias is just just using a fancy like a variable using a fancy name, more descriptive name to represent a certain thing. Okay, so for example, I got a special data type of integer and put all the integer inside of an array. Okay, okay, just array is just like a list to put everything inside. Okay, and we can say type alias, and then I can say, well, I can name whatever I want. It's just like a variable, but using just using some more descriptive name for that specific thing. Okay, so I can say int list. Okay, it's an integer list, then equal to that certain data type. So instead of just to give exact some specific data, but rather I just give you the specific format, and you can add things. So for example, I can say a number. Okay, that numbers will be the integer list. Okay, I just declare. I can use it, and then I can put number inside by using an array, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then I can actually do the print. I can get hold of numbers. I can say, let me do something interesting. I believe there are some. Yeah, mass function. Remove. Oh my gosh. Drop. Yeah, I got tons of things. Let me use a remove or reduce. Okay, let me just use reduce. Okay, so reduce return a result to combine the elements of a sequence using a given closure. Yeah, I can say reduce into update. Yeah, let me just use reduce. I want to demonstrate some new things from 0 and to plus. Okay, so it's just a nice trick. If I run this, you can actually see the result. So yeah, as you guys can see, print out 55. You must be pretty confused. What the heck? Why this is 55? Because reduce is a very special function that I want to demonstrate. That's the reason why this example is really important, because it involves a little bit of algorithm that train your mind. So basically start from 0 and then keep adding all the numbers together. Okay? So basically start with 0, 0 add 1, then there will be 1, 1 add 2 will be 3, 3 add 3 will be 6, adding 4 will be 10, 15, and then adding all that up. So basically we got adding all that up, the final result will be 55. Okay? If you don't believe me, you can just do that yourself, or you can actually do this as a calculator, right? And then 10 plus 1 plus 2 plus blah blah blah. Yeah, you can actually do that. If you don't believe me, you can always use this as a calculator. You got like a most powerful calculator right now. Okay, so yeah. And yeah, the reduce can get a lot of things. So basically the syntax like this. This is starting with certain number, right? Starting with 0 and do something like plus. Plus means that adding all the number together. So basically you sort of can treat this as, reduce this series of data into one data. That's the reason why it's called reduce. Even though it seems like it's a subtraction, but it's actually depending on this specific operation. Okay? So yeah, I know of course you can play around with this as well. So for example, you can start with, start with 1, and you can do the, say multiplication. Okay? You can actually do that. And then you can make a sentence, string things together, find the minimum and maximum and all that. You can actually do a lot of things. I would just spare you all that and leaving this practice chance you. Okay, just research, reduce. We got tons of things, and I definitely will find some future opportunities to actually demonstrate it for you. But I think it's already pretty like straight from the Typealias. Okay, as promised, I'm going to show you another like really versatile, like highest level of usage of Typealias, because you can actually alias your own thing. You create it and you add aliases and make your own creation a little bit better to understand. Okay, after that we'll continue.